So here is the Enoze four-wheel drive drift car. It's a 1/43rd scale. Okay, so spelling isn't the best, but it's a 1/43rd scale drift car, and it's 2.4 gigahertz and fully proportional as well. There's 4 different models of these. You have ones that look like a Mustang, you have ones that look like a Challenger, then you have the 911, and then also the GTR. And yep, I got the GTR and in black. So let's take a look at it. And here it is. It's actually more like a metallic black. It does have a little metal chassis on it. It does come with the drift tires, and yeah, the drift tires are scuffed because I did have to play around with this a little bit before I filmed this. That's why the drift tires are a little scuffed up. And then it says independent suspension, which there you can see, we got some movement on the suspension there. But in the box, you'll also find an instruction manual, a screwdriver, because you're gonna need this to change over the wheels, because you do get the drift tires that are on this, but then you also get these grip tires, they call them, and these have like a rubber tire on. You get the USB-C charger, plugs in right there like that. I'm not sure of the size. I wasn't able to find anywhere that told me the size of the battery in it, but it is a 3.7 volt. And then they also give you 4 of these cones in case you want to set up a little drift course. And then you get your transmitter. It does feel kind of cheap, but this car is cheap. You're not gonna get the best transmitter, but I think it'll do the job. Takes 2 AA batteries. Here's your steering trim and then your throttle trim as well. On and off switch. So let's turn the controller on. We'll turn the car on, and there's the LED lights. It just cycles through the 7 different colors. But there you have the headlights. They light up when you give it throttle. So you get tail lights, and then when you go in reverse, they get brighter. Like I said, it is proportional. Same with the steering. Ooh, look at that, that's nice. I don't have a lot of room here. We'll go to the shop where I have a lot of floor space, a lot of area to run. So let's go check this little car out. All right, let's break free and do some just free drifting out here. Okay, well that was on the drift tires. Let's put the rubber tires on and just see how good it handles with the rubber tires on and not drifting around. So this thing's fast with the grip tires. It's got some speed to it. I say just run it on the grip tires. It drifts on the grip tires too. This isn't that heavy, so it's not gonna get a lot of traction. If it was a little heavier, maybe the grip tires would be too grippy. I think I'm having a little more fun on the grip tires than the drift tires, because the drift tires, it just wants to spin all the time. And it's very hard to drift unless you turn the speed down.
Oh, I just got an idea.
Just a little too steep. Let's try that. Yeah, let's finish this battery out in the dark. Well, it's not dark, but in low light, and we can see those LEDs shine from underneath.
Oh, she's getting very, very slow. Oh, that's it. That's the battery. So there is no low voltage cutoff, it just shuts off. But a great runtime on this. I think the grippy tires are the better of the two options. And you can still do a little bit of drifting with the grip tires. I'll leave a link to this down in the description below. So this is a great little car from Enoze. Thanks Banggood for providing it to me. That'll do it for this video, and thanks for checking it out. And I hope you join me on the next video.